The people buried you next to a tree.
Step 2. Some guys dumped toxic waste near your tombstone. Now it's devastating the tree and your dead body. Step 3. The toxic waste revived you as a zombie and merged your DNA with the tree's one.
Step 4. The job go. You can't report.
The humans dropped a nuke as a last-ditch effort to kill you. Step 5. The fire is killing you. But this isn't the end. You knew that this would have happened, so you created some spores on your way. They are exact copies of you. Once you will die, one of them will mature, and they will become what you were before. The humans does not know about their existence. You are gradually achieving your goal. Now there are 2.5 billion humans left. Those who died were killed by you, the corruption, or they are still part of your corrupted army. Everywhere you go, the life is flourishing. You must continue your mission. Step 4. The humans are killing your spores to reduce your respawnability. Now they are collecting data from the remnants to find a way to defeat you.
He's invincible. No one can stop him. Guess we have no choice. We have to summon him. The Weeping God.
Step 1. The humans summoned the Weeping God to defeat you. You must explain him the situation before he kills you. The Weeping God defeated you. You're barely alive. Step 3. Tell him everything. The humans are just using him to end you. You just want to kill the humanity because they pollute and destroy the life on Earth. Ask him to help you.
How to make mushroom stew. Step 1. Go in the woods to find some fresh mushrooms for your stew. Step 2. Find some weird mushrooms in the woods. You've never seen them before, but despite their suspicious look you decide to pick them anyway. They seem delicious. Step 3. Collect the mushrooms and go back home. Step 4. Prepare the stew. Step 5. Consume your creación.
Step 6. You are not feeling good after eating your stew. Step 7. My eyes. Step 8. What's happening in my body? Step 9.
Step 1. You feel like there's something different. Step 2. End your hibernation and crawl out of your tree body. Step 3. Wander in the woods. Step 4. A portal has opened. Someone is coming out of it.
I finally found you. I need your help. Step 1. Go wandering in the streets. Go looking for a forest. Step 2. Bring out the trees to gain biomass. Find more mushrooms. Find capsid. Find the antidote. Step 3. Slowly on the horrible side of humanity. Do as much destruction as possible. Spill bombs. Step 4. You consider your issue to who you to do something. Step 5. You will look this carefully. Make them suffer. So do this towards them. Step 6. Work on the kids. Don't deny them. It looks like a portal. Step 7. You found your kit. I have offered to make. We could become the most powerful entity on the planet if we got our power together and become one. If you lower monster together and destroy humanity. But I already did that. It's a historical question. Okay, fine.
Step 4. The Multiversal God here will kill you. Lost the most part of your powers. Step 5. You see another trollge creature near the ruins of city. He saw you, and he's coming.
I am left behind. I was getting away from a old organization that has taken me prisoner and they want to terminate me. Let's work together. Step